welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna do another Stitch Fix unboxing and review. The thing is that I had done the unboxing already a couple of days ago, and then I went to go find the footage, and somehow it just disappeared and didn't exist anymore. I hope you guys still enjoy the video, so let's jump right into it. This is the price list in case you guys wanted to know. The first item that I'm gonna try on is called a Bella lace blouse. It's $38. Okay, so I think this is super cute. I don't know that I would have tried this on my own, like in the store without, you know, Stitch Fix sending it to me, which is part of the reason why I like things that are sent to me on Stitch Fix. It's a little longer in the back. So sometimes I don't like stuff that's got nude underneath it because it sort of looks like you're naked with like lace over the top, which sort of looks like lingerie, but this actually looks really cute. The lace is like filled in enough that it doesn't look like you're naked. So that's good. Here we go. Okay. So I think the embroidery is really cute. So this is called Skies Are Blue Tralavan embroidered yoke. This is in a small petite in navy, and it's $54. So this I think is probably my favorite piece that they sent. I think it fits really great. I'm 5'2", so the petite shirts seem to really fit me a lot better. The proportions work out well. It doesn't end up like looking like a dress on me. So I think that this one is really cute, and especially, you know, we're in the heat of summer right now. It would be cool, but not too revealing. So I think that I'll probably keep this one. I think it's fun. Okay, so they sent me this jumpsuit. So this one's called the Kaylee Rika knit crop jumpsuit. It's black. This one's a size small, and it's $58. Okay, so here's the jumpsuit. It's actually pretty cute. Okay, so being a short lady, I actually would never choose something this length because I feel like it chops my leg, and so it doesn't like elongate my figure. I really like the accent belt right here. I feel like that, you know, accentuates the natural waistline, which is really cute. The other thing is that, like, I don't usually wear spaghetti straps because I don't necessarily want, you know, all my stuff on display. As is, it doesn't feel like the most flattering to me, or like, I don't know, it's just not super my style. Okay, so this is the shirt. It's got like some interesting neck detail. It's got like these little holes here. This is called the 41 Hawthorne Jaslinda Twist Neckline Knit t-shirt, I think. This is a size small, and it's $44. Okay, so here's that top. And as you can see, it's got a little twist like cut out here, a little cut out there. So this one is cute. So I don't know that this is my favorite. This one isn't a petite, so it's just like slightly long. Like if it was just a little bit shorter, it might be a little more flattering. So I don't think that I'll keep this one. It's not my favorite. And actually I went ahead and put on the last item as well, which is these jeans. So actually, the jeans I was wearing earlier that I tried on with the other top are a pair of jeans that I got from Stitch Fix. I really like their denim. I think they do a really good job of making denim that like fits really well. It seems really high quality. It feels really like nice. Sometimes you get a jean and it feels like really thin. It feels almost like a legging. But it's said to be like denim, and these, like, they actually, let me just spin this. These, they feel very nice. The only thing is that You guys saw the pair of jeans that I had on before. It's very similar to this. So I don't know that I need this pair. I don't know. Like, you can almost never have too much like good denim. Okay, so these are called Just USA Veil Scissor Hem Skinny Jean in indigo, and these are a size 2 and $58. So that is everything that I got in my Stitch Fix this time. I really love that embroidered top. These denim that I've got on now are really cute. The lace overlay shirt I thought was also adorable. So I will make some decisions and then send back anything I decide not to keep. Okay, thanks guys for watching. I'll talk to you later.